everyone! Today I'm going to show signs related to school, specifically different types of school assignments. If you haven't yet watched the other videos related to school, I suggest you watch those. Assignment, assignment. Assignment. It's also a reservation. The 5 hand-shaped circles and lands on the opposite wrist. Assignment. Homework. Homework. Also, well, let me back up. Home. The sign home. Home. Work. Work. Home, work. And you'll often still see it like that, homework. Homework. But over time, it has also sort of evolved into one condensed sign. Homework, homework. Homework became homework. Homework or homework. Homework. Homework or homework. Homework, homework. Paper. The hand comes inward. Paper. 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 It's different from school. The hands clap. Paper. The 5 hand-shaped brushes inward. Paper. So you need to write a paper or type. Project. Now it's a P hand shape, sort of to a J. P into it's really an I hand shape. Project. 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 Presentation. 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 It's also lecture. Presentation. Alone or individual. Individual. Or alone, individual. Partner, like pairing up. Partners. Group. Groups. For example, a group project or a partner presentation. Okay, so that's a few different types of homeworks. And now also a few signs. Research. The 1 hand shape brushes outward on the opposite palm. Research. Research. Study. 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 Read. The two-hand shape, read. Practice. Practice. Test. 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 Let's review. Okay, that was a few signs related to school assignments. I hope that it helps you, maybe with your ASL class, understanding the teacher. For more videos related to school, I have many, so I suggest you watch. And if you like this video, please subscribe and tap the bell icon so that I can let you know about new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!